Hello friends, today I will discuss the design of staircase for a building. In this video, I will cover the necessity of this design, next the terms used in this design. What is the necessity of the staircase design? Number one is to give comfort while climbing steps, that is staircase, to all age people. Number two is for comfortable life of future generations. Number three is to avoid knee pain and strain. Next, what are the terms used in this design? There, what are the types of staircase? Height of a building, length of ground for steps, parameters of step, standard parameters of step, calculation of risers, calculation of treads, landing width W, diagrams to show the design. So let me consider what are the types of staircase designs. Broadly speaking, there are only two types. One is simple staircase like this. So this is the space available on the ground for the steps, whereas this is the height of the building for which the steps are to be designed like this. There is another way, another type of staircase for a building. To reach this point from here to here, we need to design the two-stage staircase, that is from here to here one stage, next from here to here another stage of staircase design. Once this is understood, this can be extended for the second phase of staircase. Next, let me show what are the parameters of the step. A step means it will have the totally three parameters. One is called the riser. This is represented by here capital R, and this is where we put the feet, is called the tread, whereas this is the W, this is nothing but landing width. These three parameters are the parameters of the step. Coming to the standard size of the step, landing width is normally 4 feet and tread is 1 foot, riser is 4 inches. These parameters are followed by the British people in many buildings built in India. Let us consider simple case of designing staircase for a building, so which we call here as sample design. Let us say this is the building and whose height is capital H, and the available length for the steps is L, that is called ground length. Let us assume the space on the ground available is 7 feet, means this length available is 7 feet, and the height of the building is represented here with H and is equal to 28 inches. Now, to get the number of risers, capital R, the formula is height of the building in inches divided by height of the riser in inches. Height of the building given here is 28 inches, so put here. Then height of the riser in inches means standard height of the riser is 4 inches. Then once we divide 28 with 4, we get 7. Total number of risers that comes for this building is 7. And tread is again a standard value, 1 foot. The number of treads is represented by NT, which is equal to number of risers minus 1. Here the number of risers calculated is 7. So 7 minus 1 means 6. And if we draw the diagram, so we have here totally 7 risers. Means this is called from here to here, this is called riser. Similarly from here to here it is riser. Similarly here from here to here it is riser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 risers. So we have calculated for this building number of risers as 7. So we have drawn the 7 risers here. And coming to the treads, we have here totally 6. This top one is not considered as tread because it reaches the terrace of the building, so it is not considered as terrace. It is not tread. So below that, whatever we have, they are considered as treads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of risers are 7. Number of treads are considered as 6. This is the simple design to understand. Again, you can see here tread means this length, riser means this length, landing width means W, this length. So here T means this is the meaning of meaning. Next, a riser means this height from here to here. So let us take a practical case, means a real building. So as usual, the standard step size is like this. This is called riser, and the riser should be 4 inches and tread should be 1 foot, and landing width is 4 feet. So for this practical building, the height of floor is considered as 10 foot. Convert that height into inches. So 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So 10 into 12 means 120 inches. Then length of ground on the floor, here it is considered as 30 feet. Then number of risers we can calculate as the formula, with the formula height of building in inches divided by height of riser in inches. Height of building in inches is 120 inches divided by 4. This 4 is nothing but standard riser length, that is 4 inches. So 120 by 4 means 30. Total number of risers that comes for this building for this height is 30 risers. Then coming to the number of treads that we get here is number of risers minus 1 means 30 minus 1, that is 29. So if we draw the steps on this diagram, we get here 30 risers and 29 treads. Let me summarize once. So in this video we have seen what is the necessity of the staircase design. Similarly, we have seen the terms used in the design, that is types of staircase, height of the building, length of the ground available for the steps, and parameters of the step, standard parameters of step, and calculation of risers and calculation of treads, landing width, and diagrams to show the design.